Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Goalie Quest and get the football trophy in Visit. So in this latest Visit update, there's a brand new football team quest that possibly added as a special World Cup event. And today, I will show you how to complete it and get the large football trophy. And first, just find the Goalie NPC and then accept the quest. You can meet the NPC at the Stingray's shores, the new island in this update, and then just talk to him and then just tap on the goalie like this, and then in here you need to collect 10 footballs in here, and to get these footballs just simply fish at these ponds near the NPC, this one, and then just keep fishing on here. And when you catch a football, make sure to give it to the NPC immediately, because this part is very important, because if you keep the football in your inventory and don't hand it over, you won't be able to catch the next football. So every time you get one, just go back to your NPC and then just take out your football and then just tap on turn in a football. In here I can show you the actions because I already submit my football. And then next, just repeat this process until you delivered all 10 footballs. And once you have completed the quest, you will automatically receive a large football trophy like this, that you can display your trophy at your aquarium. And okay, that's it, a quick and easy way to finish the Goalie Quest in Visit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!